Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to look at equations with unknowns both sides. So that's when we've got a letter on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. We can't do equations with letters on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So we're going to have to get rid of one. The easiest thing is to get rid of something that is small. So we always look for the smaller x, which in this case is 2x. And because it is a positive 2x at the moment, we are going to get rid of it by taking it away. So we take away 2x. The thing is, if we take away 2x on this right-hand side, we've also got to take away 2x on that left-hand side. Okay. We start actually doing the sum. So 5x take away 2x gives us 3x. We can't do anything to the normal numbers yet, because there's no normal numbers here. So we just have plus 3. Equals comes next as we work down the page, and 2x take away 2x would be 0. Now we could write 0 plus 9, but actually 0 plus 9 is 9, so there's no point. We then have to do our equations in the normal way. I get rid of the plus 3 first by doing a subtract 3, so 3x equals 9, subtract 3. 3x equals 3, equals 6. Let's do that right. And this 3 is timesing the x, so we get rid of times by 3 by doing a divide. 6 divided by 3, x is equal to 2. Over here we're going to just try another one, just the same way. So we look at the small amount of x's. The smaller amount of x's in this one is actually the the y's. So we take away, we subtract that 3y from that side, we subtract that 3y from that side. We go through, follow through with it. 3y take away 3y is 0. I get 0 plus 8, which means I'm just left with 8 on that left-hand side. 5y take away 3y is 2y, minus, of course we got nothing there, 20. I've got a problem now, because my y is on the right-hand side. I'm normally used to having the letter on the left-hand side. So at this point, I could carry on like that, but if I wanted to, I could do a switch. And when I say switch, the whole thing, 2y and 20, have got to come across, and 8's got to cross that side. So we switch all of this side over to here, and that side over to there. And now I've got an equation that I quite like doing. Okay, it's one that I'm more familiar with. Again, I get rid of this minus 20 first by doing a plus 20, so 8 plus 20, which means 2 y's are 28. And then again, that's 2 times y, so let's get rid of a times by 2, I divide by 2, so 28, divide by 2, so y equals 14.